Hey, what's up, guys? This is Joe Sanches, your favorite realtor. I am down here in South Austin, and I'm actually looking at this beautiful home, and it's by a beautiful builder, Milestone, and this is actually the Conchos plan. This home here actually is 2,434 square feet, and it has, let's see, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's 2 floors. Now, it also includes 3 garages. Now, what I really wanted to tell you was this. The tax rate on this home is actually 1.6%. How do you get that? Well, this home is actually located in a special place in South Austin. It's part of the ETJ, and you can look that up, but long story short, it gets you that beautiful tax rate. So let's take a look inside. Now check out these beautiful high ceilings. All right, let's go in here and take a look at the master bedroom. It's a very nice shower there. Now these things here are one of my favorite things. No more making your own holes in the wall. It already comes made for you. So you just gotta plug your TV in there, put that wire there, and connect it down there. Okay, here we are in the backyard. Got some space here, which is fantastic. Always hard to come by. Here in the Austin, Texas area, South Austin, Manchaca. Alrighty, let's go upstairs. Very, very nice. Let's get a good look here. Okay, and now we're upstairs. Take a look at this beautiful room here. Okay, let's take a peek here. So here we got what? One bathroom. We got another bedroom here. Yes, very nice. This window here, if you could get some vitamin D while you're picking out your outfit of the day, why not? Beautiful. Alrighty, here is the laundry room. Always handy to have that laundry room where there's a lot of rooms that don't have to go too far. Here's another beautiful bedroom. Wow. You can see that part of the yard. Look, a little stink bug or something there. Little window. I like all the windows. Closet. Okay, let's go to the other side here. Whoa. It's a very nice room here. Looks like it's set up for entertainment. Yep, those are cords I was telling you about, the little openings for you. So you're set up to have a TV there. Awesome, awesome. And another bedroom here with its own closet, window, and beautiful bathroom. Yeah. So what do you like about it? Yeah, I mean, I'll edit later.
I like the space because like on this side up here, you could do like a deep freeze here if you wanted to, or you could do like a fridge because you've got like a little corner back there, so you can build a workbench or deep freeze, fridge. You've got space to do that, and then I just like the nice kind of having the space.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's a nice garage. Okay, so take a look at the amount of space you get here. Now, you only get this because this is the last house here on the corner, and I'll have to check for you, but it doesn't come around. Space is a premium here. Take a look at that.